July 16th handles the world's snakes with appropriate respect, wonders whether AI will eventually wonder about us, and finishes with a cherry on a corn fritter. World Snake Day raises awareness of the over 3,500 snake species found worldwide. Fewer than 600 are venomous, and the conservation pressures many of them face. Artificial Intelligence Appreciation Day marks July 16th as the occasion to acknowledge the technology rapidly reshaping how we work, create, and make decisions every day. National Cherry Day celebrates the short summer peak of one of the kitchen's most versatile fruits. National Corn Fritters Day honors the pan-fried cornmeal cake rooted in Southern American and Indigenous cooking traditions. Guinea Pig Appreciation Day celebrates the social, curious rodent that has been a household companion since the 1600s. National Atomic Veterans Day honors service members who participated in nuclear weapons testing from the 1940s onward. Respect the snakes, appreciate the AI, eat the fritter. Follow National today and help us celebrate every day of the year.